Knowledge is power. Did you know? The image you've shared illustrates the concept of foot reflexology, a practice based on the idea that specific points on the feet, reflex zones, correspond to different organs and systems throughout the body. While the image uses literal anatomical models for visual impact, reflexology practitioners believe that applying pressure to these areas can promote health in the linked organ. Here is a detailed breakdown of the zones shown. 1. The head and sensory zones, the toes. In reflexology, the toes generally represent the head and neck area. Brain, located at the very tips of the toes, especially the big toe. It is believed that stimulating this area can help with mental clarity and focus. Thyroid. Though the image places it on the big toe, it is traditionally linked to the base of the big toe. It relates to metabolism and energy regulation. Ears and eye. These are typically found at the base of the second and third toes. Eyes, and the fourth and fifth toes. Ears. Practitioners use these points to address sensory strain. 2. The upper torso, the ball of the foot. The wide area just below the toes corresponds to the chest and upper abdomen, lungs, and heart. This area, the padded part of the foot, is associated with respiratory health and circulation. Bone. The image points to a bone. In reflexology, the inner arch of the foot is often linked to the spine, which is the primary bone structure addressed in treatments. 3. The mid-abdomen, the arch. The arch of the foot contains points for the digestive and filtration organs. Stomach and pancreas, located in the upper part of the arch, usually on the left foot for the stomach. These points are targeted to help with digestion and blood sugar balance. Kidneys, found toward the center of the arch. Reflexologists focus here to support the body's detoxification and fluid balance. 4. The lower abdomen, the heel. The lower part of the foot corresponds to the pelvic region and lower digestive tract. Intestines. The area just above the heel and across the bottom of the foot represents the small and large intestines. Massaging this area is often used to relieve bloating or constipation. Important note on science versus tradition. It is important to understand that while reflexology is a popular complementary therapy used for relaxation and stress reduction, it is not a medical treatment. The facts. There is no scientific evidence that physical channels or energy lines actually connect a spot on your toe to your brain. The benefit. Most of the benefits people feel from reflexology come from general relaxation, improved circulation in the feet, and the reduction of stress, which can indirectly help the body heal.